Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can reset all camera setting on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our camera application. And after we have our camera application opened, we can go to the camera setting. Click on the setting icon on the top left, and here you can scroll down to the bottom until you find the reset settings option. This one, click on this reset settings, and you will get this question, and you just need to click on reset to reset all the camera setting on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and now it's done. And that's how we can reset all setting on Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.